Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at a little cottage. We're going to be going through this place pretty quickly. It's got lovely stuff inside, can't wait to show you. If this is what you like, hit that subscribe button for future explores, give us a big thumbs up and drop us a comment. Let us know what you thought of this explore. Hopefully we'll have some history. It's going to come up right now, but let's crack on. Guys, we're in the first room here, which is the kitchen, and this place, it's got some amazing trinkets in that I think you're going to love. Lots of bits in here. Look at all the cutlery, the tools. It's quite amazing. All these little pieces up here. I'll show you this back end of the kitchen here. At the top there we've got all the electric. This cooker down there. It's such a small place, it's unreal. Look at that for all that. Oh no, it's not for all, that's an address book. Sorry about that. Got that wrong. Wow, all the plates and that, it's all just set out, and all the pans hanging up on the wall. Quite a few cobwebs around here. Got here, little figurine. More cutlery there. I'll show you on the back here there. Got the hat, and a fleece, couple of fleeces that are hanging up. I'll tell you what I do like. That is this. That tea towel. That looks pretty awesome. Wow, all the stuff's still in here. It's tied, isn't it? But let's go into the next room. I have to duck my head as I come through here. Make sure I don't hit my head. Wow. Look at these. Strong ales then. There's some strong ales in there. Some books. Looks like cooking books. Everything looks like it's just perfectly in its place, doesn't it? Got the flasks, the biscuits in and that. Oh, this looks quite old. Old cooking book there. Looks like cutouts. Look there. Sport. Wow, I've got some lovely little pictures along here. Amazing place. Chair. And you got this in the corner. Turn my light up. Look at them binoculars. Got a whole camera, watch. You've got all these lovely trinkety pieces. Try and go through candlestick holders there. Some more candlestick holders on top. Come down to the table there. Got all these bits as well. I think that's a smoke alarm beeping at me. Not the first time I've been to a place the smoke alarm's done that. Even here. God, they're like greyhounds with rabbits in their mouths. Again, really nice though. That's shut. He must have been an elderly person, you just see by the walls that got the frame pieces there. Oh, looks like this room's been a little bit packed up, to be honest. All the glasses and that. All the canes, the clocks. Wow. And there's the Bible, some pottery books. Looks like a penguin and teddy there. More books on birds, countryside. Terry Wogan, Is It To Me? So I come down here, you see mattress and everything. Looks like it's all sort of been tidied up a little bit and placed. And the wardrobes, which I'd imagine have been emptied. Have a look. Yeah, they've been emptied. But you'll see, look, if you see the mould that's on the wood there. Oh, come through into this. Shall we say sort of like a dining room kitchen. Another little kitchen area. Wow. It's quite nuts, isn't it? Got the fridge and I've got a little cooker there. I love these little sinks. Just doesn't look in place having a sink here, does it? Like one of these old butler sinks in there. And then all the utensils and that hanging up. Got all the cobwebs and that in between. I'm gonna guess maybe a tin opener went on here. Let me know if you guys know. Wow, and this is full again. Got the sugar still in there. Some rope. Must have been there like booze cabinet here. Nice though. I just feel like everything's in its place. Like this yellow chair, bright. Again, sugars, tea, coffee, some biscuits. You've got your cups down here. Show you this rug here, but as it comes up into the next room, and the wallpaper is just starting to strip off here. Again, another one of them handles. Oh, this is nice. Look at these. Wow. There's quite a few bits down here. You got this, another fold-away table. The electric fire down here. And these old chairs reminds me of my nan and granddad's proper wooden framed chairs. Imagine that's probably where the trinkets did go at one point. Got here little bathroom. It's quite nice. Pink. Pink to make the boys wink. That bathroom here. Thought there might be some bits left, but there's not. Scales down there, a few cleaning pieces, but other than that, wow, you got that cross hanging on the door. And what I can only assume would have been the bedroom at one point. It's now filled with heaters, oil heaters as well. And again, look, you'll see the mole that's coming in on the side of this set of drawers. Look at that. It's nice, isn't it? It is. You've got the mattress and the dresser. Just imagine an elderly lady or a young lady, I don't know, at one point would have sat there. Maybe done her makeup. Another heater around there, look.
There's no radiators, is there?
No, there ain't.
I can imagine there
That
was.
picture left hanging up there. Well, right guys, we just come outside. I want to show you why this is such a unique little place. It's lovely. Let me flip this around. And you'll see exactly why. Look at this. It is just unique. It's got a tin red roof, a couple of chimney pots here, and it literally is just a bungalow all the way down. Beautiful place. Got some outside barns here, which, do you want to see if it opens? Anything inside? Oh. Okay. And you've got the greenhouse along here. There's a lovely place. A lot of land on it as well. As you'll see, down there goes a bit further. Right guys, that is the explore done. We hope you enjoyed it. It's short and sweet, but it's full of stuff, isn't it?
It is.
Lovely little place. So I thought it was worth documenting down for you guys to see. So we hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop us a comment. Let us know what you thought of this place. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Hope you guys are happy, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See you later.
Bye.